Now let's see few more attributes, right? We have dry run. Now let's see what does this dry run do. It will just tell the console if any test is implemented or not. Okay, dry run is equal to true. We'll do this. Step definition. Somewhere here I'll write dry run equal to true, comma. Save this. Dry run is equal to, actually what is the importance of this? See, what I'll do is I'll comment for this step definition in the step definition package. Click on login button. So as I said in the first session, unlike this tidy gherkin, if we run this program and if the step definitions are not written, then in the output we see its implementation of the step definition. But what will happen if the rest of the step definitions are written and let's say this for this statement the step definition is not written, so these statements will execute and this will also execute and we will see the step definition for this. But what is problem here, while running this particular scenario, my intention is just to get the step definition code for this, but unnecessarily these two things are running and wasting my time. So this dry run will help me for this. So let's see what it does. Okay, so you see in the output, as this is called so many times, uh, click on login button. It is called so many times in the feature files like this, for this scenario, and 4 times or 5 times for this scenario it is called. So it is printed multiple times, but you see none of the things other than this step definition is printed. You see, if I do not use this dry run and run, you will get this, but along with this you will get the whole things executed, right? Scenario successful login, I open a browser login page, and all these things will be executed. Now actually it is just a printing statement, so we don't see our time is wasted, but when there are actual things written there, so it will take hell lot of time, and wherein our intention was just to get the step definition code from it. So I'll do it once again. Control Z, save this and run. Now you see, it is just giving me a scenario outline. It did not executed any of its step definition, right? It is just given the name of it, and for those step definition the implementation is not given. I can see the code for it, the code for implementing that. Fine. So this was about the dry run. So let's see some other attributes. This is monochrome is equal to true. It gives us well formed output. Let's try this. Monochrome equal to true. Okay, the output is looking quite better. Hmm? So what if it is not there? See, it is not in a well form. And if I see this monochrome is equal to true, the format of output is quite better. So it's better to use monochrome is equal to true. Great. Next is strict is equal to true. If you don't want to pass the test, if the implementation of the step definition is not done. Okay, so here you can see the implementation of this step, one of the step, when I click on the login button is not done. But here we are not, it is not failed. Here our test is not failed. Here simply we are being told that these are this step definition is not implemented, you implement that. So nowhere we are getting failed as an output. So if we use this strict is equal to true, let's see what happens. Except from this entering in the registration form, all of the tests are failed. Let's run it one more time. See, this cross button in red tells us that these are the tests that are failed. Fine. So this was about strict equal to true. So these were some of the attributes that we use inside this cucumber options, like monochrome true, strict true, then dry run. So I hope you got this. Now our next step will be to implement everything we learned in real time in real project. Okay, we will see this in next session. Thank you for watching this.